Okay. Sober TV yaba enumre. Yeden some no bremo. Na yeboni tell nti you need to follow up with the pace. Na yedamunye na amase. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Temsu Street. Kotoko. And now no ye training. Team no around 2:35. Na team net do so full eye. Na womodi omani echere eye baby na Kotoko game omokobo against baby GoldStars no omode akwa so branti ni nyina akwa akuduru ye de ho nsem ebrew but ye ma transfer na nsem ne kakra de ye betimi de ama on ma memfa ema enanopa ewo oye passports ye ne coach Maxwell Konadu edi nkomo na that time na ye analysis on na me analysis on Abranti a friend Emmanuel Kotei. So we spoke to Coach Maxwell Konadu from GoldStars ede ba na didn't be right so atremai coach in some no kind de metimi de ama woni one coach say replacement edema Emmanuel Kotei. That's not even how to start it. One coach say Kotoko approach Emmanuel Kotei or approaching Swatreman on Emmanuel Kotei. First thing, because he needed to confirm whether Kotoko abahu and our bound. So coach confirmed it. And here one. Two, coach say our management and some in terms of Sikasem, how the deal is going is being handled by management. Three, coach say management didn't come on, wama go ahead. Or no, as a coach, ma go ahead. Say Emmanuel Kotei, the management can sell him. Four, coach Maxwell Konadu sa kaso so dia say oni abrante ni din komo boy no ekaji ejitu say after so no coach na ma go ahead. The player also told the management that he would love to join Asante Kotoko. This is coming from coach Maxwell Konadu. Nti de enu bia ka na member of the Maxwell Konadu kan na the weight about to the mu bia Canada no so na no am ko mu pa ene the Maxwell the amount also replacement Emmanuel Kotei. Ibisa say how is the player in the description also or a ball playing fullbacks for no ball no sana Emmanuel Kotei ball netie tinsema ho do Maxwell Konadu kan no offer number Kotoko ameki approach management is negotiating with Kotoko coach Maxwell Konadu kan. Three, ono Maxwell Konadu ama go ahead. Say management can sell the player. Four, player nankasa ajiatum say he wants to join Kotoko. Five, replacement Emmanuel Kotei. Six, we describe him as a ball playing center back. And the chat one here say or say nenije say obe coach player na a club like Asante Kotoko beba home say OP player. So Emmanuel Kotei ya tu nchene Maxwell Konadu nsem no or your passports ena mede amount ene ewa hasi na asset list no of Asante Kotoko no womo kikambo na aka adie ba ko bi in person make to create any pressure in some no sometimes when you get the information you need to apply wisdom on what to say and what not to say, even when to say it. Enti, no. Me de metimi aka na say na ma me fan to makakra. Ochina game against baby any GoldStars we player for akoma mu nyina abo. So we player. Now say Kotoko regular 11. Asare, Peter Aminu, Justice Blay, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Enoch Morrison, Sheriff Mohammed, Baba Arich Molamte. Oh, Michael change am referee bench but often not when you the front two of Mukwala and Opon. So when you say we are outside these players now so watching about three of you ebenya an opportunity to start based on the nyano. If you get the chance, please play it well to prove a point to the leadership, especially on mobile right back position. Seremo pa munsi fomu ye. Wow, nim se uboni fafa for si fomu ye if you get the opportunity. na ankofa asem bia amba good exit list no de metimi aka afa ho ano no ese be fra sem no be fra na ntoma because of a chana match now ye wura nsem no kakra chana game no 20 man squad no so makwa akoduru ba bia ni ha sa na ye adwuma no ye ni obi empre boko ni abede de abeto ade be chene de mu clean sa na yetie Moise Poitier Frederick Kasare good Danlad Ibrahim went to me and training and running so Danlad is out we wish Danlad speedy recovery ACBNC he remains the captain of Asante Kotoko inti Danlad out of the game inti Shannon Sumame na Augustine Japan aba Japan okay Fuseni Sahaku ewom Sahaku Judi I believe in you pa pre-season me na me be share wona me ho analysis Samuel Asamoah we versatile otimi bo 4 center back one otimi bo na otimi sambo 2 Kotoko Karela you had good ratings ochina sa akwanya no so na won opportunity a ya no wasi form abodo be Judi me ma me sense form woni sa akuni nyina na Japan sa amra ntia miensa ne on Oyepa FM I tried not based on emotions but I can say I feel say let's give these guys an opportunity when you get the opportunity mumi ensano because Kotei there no but so Konadu confirm it's a man body here then you'll be the commentary I know the technical team can decide to sacrifice one of you and introduce a new center a new right fullback to you be ambodi here mame Sharif Mohammed will come in because there's no Henry Ansu. Once a Kotoko but for Henry Ansu in the game, no. But to Sharif Mohammed who a Kahobi. John Tedeku Prince Adasa Justice Blay. Manfa Morrison and can't defenders no. It's Enoch Morrison so. And Poitier Asare. Once a Kotoko nations FA Cup Moise Poitier na die. Shannon Sumame, me try against the so. To Augustine Japan, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, Fuseni Saaku, Samuel Asamoah, John Tedeku, Justice Blay, Prince Adasa, and Enoch Morrison. A chill off one no. Eno ena Asante Kotoko team no. Wamo aye. A chill off one Diana washe hono son swamam. In Fifi, no benya Sharif Mohammed Babayaya, Waki Jamana, Andrew Sintimenu, and Michael Che Jamana. Sharif Mohammed Babayaya, Rocky Jamnam, Andrew Sintimenu, Michael Che Jamna. Good. The entire defenders now doors, so I'll come and explain that, but let me even do the explanation. Once a Kotoko a 3-back system and Kotoko wing backs. And wing backs now Kotoko you move actually say and can the papa mo esa Asante Kotoko use defensive minded players, but use wingers as wing backs. Now there's the opportunity for the defensive minded or the natural fullbacks to justify themselves in this 3-back system. Inti, if you know Samuel Asamoah, Otimubo as a center back, matches are not Ogun Kranebo place, no about center back, which means I'm right back. Inti no, the make center backs for no. Inti Eble, no answer, so Eble, Samuel Asamoah, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, any a year, yes, among a 4. We play Asamoah, Sharif Mohammed, Nuruddin 4. Na a Japanese Sahaku I right backs. Na a year Tedeku Morrison together with Adasa. No so atwaso. Attack na de Fegi. Say we kwaku so kwabna unya chance aboni mbe bobo short man na ntu form. Because no am chirimu why Kotoko is after Emmanuel Avenyo and Abrante friend Prince Kwabna chirimu, and this was a core from a reliable source in a man this explanation by Kalu Watara, who is safe. Kalu is more safe in the Kotoko team than George Fegi. And I take upon a name. Enti upon name Kalu Watara in Kuala George Fegi Number 5, Sharif Mohammed. 5, Sharif Mohammed Babayaya. Rocky Jamnandu Sintimenu Michael J. Jamno Augustine Japan. Yusuf Nuruddin. Sharif Mohammed Fuseni Saku Samuel Asamoah John Tereku. Justice Blake Prince Adasan Enoch Morrison. Moise Poite Frederick Asari. So there is no Danlad Ibrahim Richmond Lamte Black Stars camp. Now Kudus are 7 and not pay Yemamun Chirimu. I know people, this Black Stars is still Ghana, so let me just drop this. Kudus. Kudus. I not pay a breaking story or your PFM. Kudus, rough kakra. That is that no crane because at the moment, Kudus, West Ham, no, they've released him. But communication between Team Kudus and the Black Stars, no, and Kuyi Abafom, I take a decline because there was an initial request from Team Kudus to come along with his physio and also not to participate in preparation of Moya or Ghana. But also share Team Cote d'Ivoire. I said Team Cote d'Ivoire, they will still have about 3 days or 2 days to prepare. You want to join them during the preparation. So Kudus somebody I send here. A traffic for my to Lamte Council. And in my wafa for Mrantiana, Lamte ne nua Ashimero. Send your Ogum Yusu Lamte de Baba no more Yusu no. That is my opinion. So Kudus amba ye pebenkuma. Chininya Didi should have confidence. Igo Bruce Yebi. Tevinkeshi Yebi the Sunday in Bamu Anomo Nungu Rangers boy. Emma Nigeria J. Afcon. What I say? Local player bit me man confidence a man aboni. Until Lamte or Black Stars camp. Could so chicheno home. It will affect the Black Stars team because you all know how good Kudus is. But coach need to be your confidence. They are shall Lamte Muni or Shimero or Mabubu or Wafa. Now the Salas and General Mechi. Send a to command Lamte ne Babaya you can say Sharif Mohammed no. One man Salas as Sharif. One but double creative players behind the neck. Lamte one check pass and home. Obama flew. Lamte, go and make us proud. We believe in you. Some of us says it's not part of the team. Nana Benyinamo is not part. I'm not speaking based on emotions. I'm speaking based on a player I have monitored for a very long time. Henry Ansu is also not part of the team. Last game of the season. Let me give you this. People will love me to. Is it many comments? I'm possible lineup on, but confirm. I consider the views of my listeners so much into media no beton chain. But Henry Ansu also Sharif Mohammed will come in. Frederick Asari likely to go to the bench for Moise Poite to come in. Michael J. Jamna to partner a year Abranchi Efreno, Sharif Mohammed and Babayaya in the middle for Mukwala and Isaac Opon to lead attack. And no AD flow back. Wing backs, no, from what I'm picking, it's likely that na makache two of one. So right fullbacks no abenya chance o boni because Peter Aminu out, it creates an opportunity for 110 wa. So also benya kwan we si akan ni bi. But we ti the mekan. So also benya kwan we si akan ni bi. So make good use of it when you get the opportunity tomorrow. Ogun want to end the season with a win, the first round with a win. Paul Mans also penisa. So it's a tough game, a very tough game. Now we are going to give you all the update tomorrow on Silver TV. And hey, we then come in demo bonnet. Augustine Randolph come in demo bonnet. Carrera no Augustine Randolph contract no on Mochum. Now someone from Randolph's camp it didn't come to a technical team member of Asante Kotoko. Pass information indirect. Now, until I make catch Kotoko right fullbacks, they say the technical team still believes in you guys. One more edge mudipa because if I mean Sakai from a reliable source, the ball guesting round of the response when you say as a round of a good season, and second round ye probably obe shame bit me aboni ye. So from them picking the say it looks like the system will not pick Randolph over any of the right backs of Kotoko. And we the OCC, if anything changes, I'll come in. But someone offered Randolph to Kotoko. And looks like the technical team feels that is what I was told, feels that Randolph winning a good season and committing to the Ama Kotoko boys and so an opportunity. So the door ain't closed to the right backs of Kotoko. The door is not closed. If you guys can perform well, any of you that gets the opportunity, boniye to save yourself, nyame admochna.